Hi everyone, welcome to another fun day at preschool. Mrs. Coop here. We are going to go right into calendar time because we have so many fun things we're going to talk about today. So I'm going to zoom you in, think about our month, think about what day yesterday was as we get zoomed in here to learn more at calendar time. All right, we are in the beautiful month of October. This is the month of October. It's going to be Halloween. It's going to be some more of our friends' birthdays. Okay, yesterday we went to this number, which is the number of our week. It's the number of fingers you have on your hand. It's the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what would come after 5 after we counted all those fingers on our hands? What would come in the square? Boo, 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 boo. Up here, when I add one more number. If you know it, get ready to say it as we sing our song, or as we count, our numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you say the number out loud? It is the number 6. Number 6, you're going to start at the top and go down and make a circle around to loop and make the number 6. Great job. Yesterday we said that, the 5th was our Monday. So we're going to sing our Days of the Week song and figure out what day is going to come after Monday. All right, Mr. 6, you're going to go right there. Maybe. Okay, so let's sing our Days of the Week song and figure out what day comes after Monday. Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right. What did you hear come after Monday? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday. Beautiful T at the start of Tuesday. It makes it t. Let's put it all together and see what day today is. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. Great job, guys. Man, thinking back on how we did calendar time in August to where we are right now, you guys are just doing such a fantastic job. Okay, we just learned our color of the week purple song. Now we are going to look at the letter of the week. The letter of the week is one that is in some of our friends' names. Let's scooch our way over to here. We have some friends who have it at the start of their name, like Miss Ella. We have some friends who have it in the middle and end, like Prudence has 2 in her name. Callie, you have 2 at the end of yours, Miss Callie Adney. But look, my friend Callie Tucker says it the same way, but look there's no E. So some letters can make the same sounds as other ones. Because I have a Callie with an I, and I have a Callie with 2 E's. Our friend Edgar has an E at the beginning of his name. Trigger has an E right there near the end. Got a few more. Connor has a lowercase e. And I got Charlotte with an E at the end. So if you look at Charlotte and you look at Ella, Charlotte has a lowercase or small c because her C is in the middle or the end. Hers is right there at the end. Ella has a capital or big tall E because it is at the beginning of her name. And because your name is so very important, you capitalize that first letter no matter what it is to show that I am an important person. All right, this week we started our trees unit, so our small groups are going to talk a lot about trees, some different words about trees. Mrs. Boyer read some fantastic books. There are some tree things you can click on and videos to watch. This week I feel like I got a lot in large groups, so I'm going to try and make these videos as short as possible by maybe not doing rhyme time this week because we're going to start getting to do that in person. So I'll try to get those in there when I can, okay? But this week Or today we're going to look at the letters E. These are our Jolly Phonics papers that we're going to be working on here at school. And it is how we think about our letter sounds. So we'll be practicing these in class and sending them, keeping them in a binder so you can see all of our letter work. It'll have a capital and a lowercase. With all our vowels, it focuses on the short sound. So it gives you an action that makes that sound and a thing to do with your hands to remember it. So for the letter E, we're going to pretend that we have an egg in our hands, and we're going to pretend that we're cracking it open, going egg. Okay? That is the short E sound. There's also a little page where they'll get to color an egg, and then a place for them to practice their lowercase. So on the back of each one, there'll also be like a little thing you can cut it out and keep it at home. So we're going to start doing those in class once we are in person, and if you're not, I'm going to be sending them home so you can keep practicing those, okay? All right, this is our book for the letter E. It is called, let's see if you can see all those E's in there. The enormous, oh, that E said its name, so it's a long E. The enormous elephant show. I count 1, 2, 3, 4 E's in the title of our ebook. My goodness, he does look like a very enormous elephant putting on a show. The Enormous Elephant Show, starring Elvis. Let me entertain you. Elvis the elephant is waiting backstage to start his show. Just turn the page. Elvin the elephant makes an E out of eels. They kind of are like, they look like a snake that lives in the water. Elvin the elephant tosses eggplants to the seals. Eggplant is this purpley fruit down here. Elvin the elephant does excellent dives. Oh, excellent's a great E word. Elvin the elephant bakes elderberry pies. Elderberry starts with an E. Have you ever eaten anything with elderberry in it? That'd be, have you ever tried that taste? Elvin the elephant pulls an elk from a hat. That would be very cool. And it's an E word, elk. Elvin the elephant sends an email to his cat. Oh, cat looks so happy. Getting an email. Elvin the elephant models elegant with an E clothes. Elvin the elephant skates with eggs on his toes. That seems so dangerous, Mr. Elvin. Elvin the elephant climbs evergreen trees. Evergreen is a type of tree. These are the ones that you might see around Christmas time. They are the ones that are covered in needles. They're not like big broad leaves, and they stay green almost all year round unless they're like sick and they turn brown. They'll stay green all year round. How cool is that? Elvin the elephant eats a mountain of peas. He's eating. That's an E word. Elvin the elephant exercises with a cow. EX makes an X sound. Exercise. And Elvin the elephant takes an enormous bow. Oh my goodness. Now, at the end of here, look, there's a bunch of those E's that we saw while we were reading. You can pause my video and you can ask your child, what E pictures do they see up here? And there's even some other extra ones added in there if you look around on the page. This is a great chance. You can hit pause. You can look and talk about, well, this is a cow. That's not an E word. But what was he doing with Elvin the elephant that was an E word? Okay? Your child might find some things that you may not have remembered. So that is our ebook. I like reading these with you guys. We are going to keep learning, keep exploring. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you soon. Bye.